Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys how I crochet my mom's hair in. She didn't want me to show you guys how I did the foundation, but I did convince her to allow me to show the front of the foundation. So the back of her hair is 6 cornrows straight back, and then the front I did going down her face instead of away from her face. And the reason why I did that was because she's growing her edges back and they're growing in pretty good. So I just did the cornrows down her face so that way I won't have any like stress or tension pulling her edges. Also, my mom likes to wear her hair down, whatever hairstyle it is. She likes to wear it down on one side. So I just gave her one hard part to where it will just be in that style always. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how I crochet this hair. If you've seen the beginning of the video, this is, I believe, freetress wavy Gypsy locks. Originally this was my crochet hair, and I was going to actually use this hair, but then I wanted a different color because this is a ombre 350, so like a reddish brown, and I wanted to get a different color, like it was an ombre 30 T27, something like that, but it went from brown to blonde. So when she came to visit me, I just told her that I would let her have this hair, and then I would order that hair for me, the other color, and it worked out pretty well. So yeah, like I said, she let me do her hair, and my mom is such a diva, and we both do our own hair. So when we have somebody else in our hair, it's really foreign to us. She was a little, I don't know if she was tender-headed from me or she was just not used to anybody else's hands being in her head. Like I said, she does her own hair just like I do. So she was a little tender-headed. I didn't braid tight. For those who know me, I do not braid tight because I'm tender-headed myself. So even when I do other people's heads, they fall asleep while I'm braiding or crocheting or whatever. So I just found that really interesting that she was a little tender-headed. It's kind of like payback, I guess you can say, from all the time she did with my hair, and I would cry and I'd be like, oh my God, get off my head. But yeah, so this is how I'm doing her hair. So I'm gonna just let you guys continue to watch and enjoy.
Exaggerating a bit. It was crazy. The car just kept rolling right down in there.
Subscribe, guys. I'm doing that.